Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Pitbull Gold from Skull Shaver. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Pitbull Gold from Skull Shaver. This is one of a range of many shaving products from the people over at Skull Shaver, and I'll be putting some links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. They actually reached out to me and said, Mike, we like your videos, would you like to take a look at one of our products and see what you think of it? I thought, hey, why not? Let's take a look at this and see what it can do. Now, I am personally a person who likes to use clippers on my hair. I have never ever shaven my head, wet shave, dry shave, or anything like that. I always just use a set of clippers on a very short setting, so I'm not actually completely bald, contrary to popular belief. So this will be the first time I'm going to try this, so obviously my point of reference is going to be a little bit different, but I've actually tried it already. There is 2 heads included in the box, a 4-head for doing your head, and a 3-head version for doing your face. So you've got 2 different heads in here, so you can interchange them for doing different parts of your body. Awesome stuff. So before we go too far into this, let's take it out of the box and see what we actually get. Now looking at the box, you've got pretty decent packaging, looks pretty nice, and if you're buying this as a gift for someone, fantastic. This version looks great if you're giving it to a guy. There's actually female versions as well, so if female shaving is your thing, then head over to the site, you can check out their pink coloured versions, which are obviously for females. Anyway, I'm digressing. So on the back of the box goes through some of the different instructions, tells you what it is, electric shaver. This is actually electric, but it's both corded and cordless, so you can use it on the go, or you can use it plugged into the mains if you wish. Anyway, let's take a look and see what we get. So, in the box, first of all, we get a nice little travel pouch, so you can put all your shaving equipment in there with the drawstrings, close it up, and you can take it with you on your travels. Fantastic. Take it to work, put it in your rucksack, whatever it may be. You get a leaflet telling you all about how to use it, and if you've got any comments or questions or you need any information, you can call the telephone numbers there, toll free, all that kind of stuff. Also, talking about the Skull Shaver catalogue on this side, or that side rather, and on this side they recommend wet shaving, all that kind of stuff. They are doing some more shaving equipment coming soon, so again, keep an eye on their website, you can find out more. Now let's look at the actual shaver itself. So first of all, we get a charging cable. Now this is a custom end on that side, which you're used to seeing on most shavers, almost like a figure 8 plug, but a little bit smaller, and this end is your typical USB type A. So you can plug that into a wall socket, you can plug it into your laptop, anything that has USB 2 or USB power, you can plug it into, no problems at all, and that will charge up your device. Now this particular one has got a 1400 mAh battery, it takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to fully charge from completely flat, and that'll give you anywhere between 60 to 90 minutes of runtime, which I think is actually pretty decent. Now, I've actually used this, like I said a little bit earlier, and I shaved my face. I've actually not shaved for about 4 or 5 days, so it's a pretty long stubble, and I used about 10% of the battery doing my face, which again, because I'm not used to an electric shaver, I thought that was pretty decent. So let's look at the shaver itself. So this is, let's say, the Pitbull. This is the gold edition. There are other editions available, but this one's really nice. It's got a really nice grip to it, feels really nice in hand, and it gives you a lot of flexibility. Left-handed or right-handed, obviously, whichever you want to do. It just feels quite natural to do it like that. With clippers, it feels a little bit odd at times when you're shaving, so for me this is a new experience, but actually took to it like a duck on water. The heads themselves, easily attachable and detachable, so just a quick twist and that comes off, and then you can take out the other head. This is the 3-head version for doing your face, that kind of stuff, and just put it on, twist it into position, remove the cover, and you're ready to go. Now actually on the device itself you've got a power button, and also you've got an LED display telling you your battery levels. So if I turn this on now, you see I'm at 89% battery left. Fantastic. So that'll carry on monitoring, so you know exactly when you need to recharge it, all those kinds of things. And I don't know if you noticed then, you probably picked it up on the microphone, but it's got a really nice delayed slow start action, so it doesn't like kind of go straight into the high gear, it slowly moves up. So if I do it again, you can hear it. So a slightly delayed start, which I find really cool. So 3 heads on this one, and all of the heads are kind of 3D floating heads, and there's a load of flexibility there. I find it actually really comfortable. Again, I'm not used to electric shaving. Generally I tend to wet shave every morning with a traditional razor blade, but actually I find this pretty good, and actually my skin feels really nice and soft, and even though I haven't had a shower or bath or anything, I just come home from work, had a quick shave, no problems at all. You can, if you want to, you can use this in the shower, or you can use it for wet shave. So if you want to use cream or foam, and shave that way, you can do, no problem at all. The heads come off really nice and easily, and all you do is just pull the head off and you can rinse it. No problems at all. Just give it a quick rinse under the tap to keep it all nice and clean. You can do that with both parts. There is actually a rubber seal around there to keep any kind of moisture out of the bits that you don't want moisture into, to keep that inside bit nice and clean. But again, you can rinse that, no problems at all. All fits together really nicely, and it's in a kind of like almost like a titanium chrome effect on the shaver heads themselves, which is really nice looking. When you're not using them, there is this nice plastic cover which goes on and protect the blades. Now with these, you can actually replace the blades if for some reason you don't get on with it and you find it's either a little bit too coarse or you've got sensitive skin. There's an entire range of different heads for these devices, both in the 3, 4 and 5 headed versions. So if you've got coarse skin, sensitive skin, whatever it may be, you can pick and choose. So again, this isn't one of those things where you just buy it and if it doesn't work out for you, it's like, oh God, what am I going to do now? You can change the heads, and obviously as you get older or as you change, your skin changes as well. So if you find later on you're getting more sensitive skin or you're getting coarser hair, you can change the blades accordingly. And the blades themselves, including the head, pretty reasonable prices, around about sort of £20-ish for a replacement head. These generally they recommend replacing every kind of 6 months or so if you want to, but again, some people keep them and use them for years and years and years. But obviously if you want the best possible shaving, you want the sharpest blades, then you do need to replace them every now and then. Now the blades themselves are made from top quality Japanese steel, and we all know what Japanese steel is normally used for, swords and cutting things. So that is a really good sign. So I've probably waffled on enough about this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to shave my head for the first time, never done it before. So I'm going to go ahead now, shave my head using the 4-headed version, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like. Here we go. So press the button, turn it on, and there we go. And as you can probably see, my hair actually, where I haven't shaved it or done anything with it or clippered it for probably a week or so now, it's actually got quite long. Well, long for me. And as it says, this normally does work much better if you do it either in the shower. It is IP5 rated or IPX5 rated, so if you want to, you can shave whilst in the shower. Don't submerge it. It's not designed to be dunked in water, but obviously if you drop it or something accidentally in water briefly, as long as you take it out quite quickly, I think you should be pretty much fine. But general use in the shower or for wet shaving, shouldn't be any problem at all. I'm not too sure where my hairline ends, so hopefully I've got all that. And it's really smooth. I was expecting it to be pulling and tugging, but considering the length of the hairs that I have got, which have grown, actually yeah, pretty comfortable. These are normally the tricky bits around the ear. So see how close we get into there. Wow, that feels very, very strange. I'm not too sure if I'm done. Kath's watching this to see if it's done. Am I done, Kath, do you think? Difficult to tell. Like I said, I am no expert at this. This is literally the first time I've ever done it. Although it's a lot easier than using clippers. And by now my t-shirt would be absolutely full of hairs. And that is one good thing about this design. It's got a really nice deep kind of collecting mechanism actually on the head itself. So it's designed so that the head picks up all the bits rather than it being picked up by your shirt. So maybe you're at work and you're going for that important meeting and you need to quickly make sure your head's all nice and clean and shiny, then that's it, I think we're done. So we started off, we were at 89%, we're now at 80%, and I've done my head. And that feels, wow, that feels very, very strange. I've never ever shaved my head completely. And yeah, that does feel exceptionally strange. For those of you that shaved your heads for many years now, I applaud you. I was terrified, but I shouldn't have been. This is actually pretty decent, and it's just collected all the hair, and I don't think there's a few little bits on there, but not a great deal, not as much as it would normally be. So yeah, pretty good. So I used about 10% to do my head, another 10% to do my beard, which was really long, and now I'm all clean shaven. I don't think it's entirely as cleanly shaven as what it would be if I used shaving foam or shaving cream or some sort of shave butter. I think that would have given a nicer result, but actually overall, yeah, not too bad. And it feels really, really weird. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video for my first head shaving. Thought I'd do it live on a video, why not? So anyway, there you go, that has been the skull shaver. This is the Pitbull Gold version. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have, check out the products at their page. But in the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's unboxing reviews and how to, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.